to use an equalizer in Logic Pro X, what you need to do is select the track you want to work on and have the inspector open so you can see the channel strip. The shortcut for that is I, and it disappears, and there it is again. So I'm going to select the track. I'm going to work on a snare, it's soloed, and I'm going to click on either EQ or in the effects region here and select EQ, channel EQ, and go for mono. And then what we've got is an equalizer, but to make it easier to use, what I'm going to do is turn the Analyser function on, and I'll be able to see the frequencies, the various components of that sound. So here what you can hear is some of the bleed elements picked up from that microphone, so you can hear some of the kick drum, and the energy of that is here, but then you can see the energy from the snare drum is a lot louder, and the fundamental, the first frequency, the lowest one, is at around 200. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a high-pass filter to remove any energy on this track that we don't need. So we can see that the lowest part of a snare drum is at 200. So anything before that is not needed. So to turn it on, you press this button here, which turns the high-pass filter on, and then you've got three options here. Which frequency it's going to cut out, by how much, so that's 24 dB per octave. The highest amount is 48 dB per octave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the frequency that it will affect up, so it affects just before the snare drum. And if we ever listen with it off, we should hear some more of the kick coming through on the bleed. If we combine this together with a noise gate, we should be able to get rid of most of the bleed.